Okay, so I have someone's project. They want to cut this out of the top. And so they're going to use this as a pattern. We're not cutting out of every single side. We're just cutting out of some of the sides. And so this is going to be laid on the top here. And then you're going to take a tool and trace where you want to cut. Okay, so you would trace these. And if we look at this as an example, side one could look like this, where this is cut out and this is attached. So this pops out, okay? Or it could look like this, where side one is cut out here, attached over here, and then cut out from here and attached over here. Okay, so you could have some variety in how that's done. Okay, it's kind of up to you on what you want to do. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this here. If you don't, I can't feel like I have this centered. So it might be that you need to trim the paper just a little bit to really be able to make sure that it'll fit and you can see where it is. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put it right here and then hold this still. Once I draw on here, you're not going to get this to go away. Okay, it's going to be there. So I would go ahead and trace. Okay, so then this is where you would be able to cut out from those sections that you drew on here. Okay, so these are going to get cut out. Now the question is, where do they get scored and slipped? Okay, and so you can put this here and you can go ahead and do the same thing, trace these, but these won't be cut through. This is just showing you, this is like mapping it out on where you're going to put this. Okay, so you would cut this out. You would be able to score and slip and then attach it to the piece that you want it to go on. Okay, can I do one of these, Ainsley? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut with this tool, okay, and these will be up at the front, just straight through. Okay, and so every piece that you cut out is one that you're going to keep. Let's get this out. There we go. Okay, so this is cut through. You would want to take a paintbrush and kind of smooth this out so this doesn't become sharp. And then this piece, you would score and slip over here. Okay, and you would want to do with this with probably something little. You'd want to score and slip the back of this. Okay, and then I don't have any slip up here, but you get the idea. This would go on top of that place. Okay, so not difficult. You just need to think about it. This is what saves you so much time, okay, is this piece, because it allows you to trace it, and then you have a guide to score and slip where it's going to go, okay?